MC1969, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Lady Diana Domingo. I am 38 years old. I am single in status, but I have a living partner and we have 3 children. I finished 2 years in college. I took a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science in the Philippines, and I have 2 years experience as a local helper in the province. My duty there is to take care of the old person. She is 84 years old there. My duty is to feed her, take her bath, give her some medication if necessary, and I'm also the one who cook for the family, for the whole family. And once I'm done cooking, that's the time that I feed all the family, including the children's, with my baby brother. And my main job there is to take care of the old person, which is 84 years old, because the lady employer has 2 younger kids, the 6 months old baby, and the other one is 3 years old. But sometimes, if I'm already done working or done with my job with the old person, I also initiate myself to help the mother by taking care of her child. Also, I prepare the meal. I feed the kids. I also talk about of the baby and with the children also. I also take care of her kids once there was an important matter and she needs to go outside. I'm the one who take care of all the people inside the house.
So you mentioned there's a 84 years old, right?
Yes.
How do you take care of the elderly?
Once I woke up in the morning, it was early, it was 4 a.m. I should woke up that time. So that, because usually in the Philippines, old persons, they woke up so early. So right at the moment, I will prepare her meal and then give it to her, assist her by sitting on the rocking chair. And there I am ready to feed her. Then after that, after feeding, I clean her face because it's too early, and then we go near by the window so that she can see outside and smell some fresh airs. Because the old person or the old woman still can manage to sit in this rocking chair. I just need to assist her. She was still strong that time when
Mm-hmm.
I'm with her. And then after that, I will cook breakfast once I'm done with her, so that the other member of the family will can eat in the breakfast in the morning.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you also took care of baby, 6 months. How did you take care?
Uh, uh, the first thing that I'm doing once I'm taking care of the child or the baby is that to ensure if the baby is hungry, uh, I should feed her or I should give them a meal. And I also take about the baby, um, clean her, clean her bed and the baby itself as well.
Okay. So you can take care of baby, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You're willing to wake up midnight, stay overnight to take care of baby?
Yes, I also did that in my children's.
Okay. So if the baby keep crying, what should you check?
There are many reasons why the baby is crying. Maybe they are just hungry, if there's some body pain, or stomach ache. Usually it's a stomach ache if the baby is cry all the time. They have like a stomach pain. So you need to put some remedy for the stomach pain in the baby. Or else there was a symptoms already saying that the baby is sick. So just in case if the baby is sick, I will call immediately or inform my baby employer of the situation of the baby. Then I will wait for the response of what I am going to do next.
Okay, sing a song to baby.
Barney is the dinosaurs from our imaginations. With ABCs and 1, 2, 3's the dinosaur sensation.
Okay,
There we
sounds
are.
good.
Thank you, sir.
If you take care young kids, what can you teach them? Say 4 years old, 7 years old.
Yes, sir. I have a passion actually in arts. I love drawing or painting, so I can share my knowledge to the children. And also, I will teach them to be better in writing and in reading because it's important. If I can manage to, if the children doesn't know how to speak in English, I can also teach the children.
Okay, sounds good. So after you study 2 years in college, where did you work?
Uh, Actually, after I finished my college, it was 2008. In that time, I learned to. I worked as a. I worked in a simple computer shop here in the Philippines. That was owned by my cousin, so I worked there for like a year, and then that's after a year, yeah, I got already I fell in love, and then I got my first children actually year 2009. Yes, that's 2009 if I'm not mistaken.
And then where did you work?
After that, I stopped. So I started working officially in a store, SM department store. That is from SM department store here in the Philippines, and I worked there as a sales associate for almost 5 years. That started in 2011 going to 2015.
Okay. You work in call center before too, right?
Yes, sir. I worked in a call center before. That's within a year also.
Hmm. You can speak quite good English. I like that. You know.
Yes,
But working in Hong Kong can be very strict, and long hours. Can you handle?
yes, sir. I'm aware of that, and I can also relate that to my experience before. I can work under pressure because call center company is a lot of pressure when it
Well,
comes to
the
working.
employer in Hong Kong can be also quite strict. Sometimes you make mistake, they can be yelling, shouting. How would you handle that?
I will not. I will allow them to talk about their feelings. I will just listen and take notes of my mistakes, and then make sure that the next time it will happen that it will not happen again, and they will not encounter that anymore. Please.
Well, if you make such big mistake that they are angry and they ask you to leave the job, will you do that?
No, sir, because I already signed the contract, and aside from that, I didn't go. I'm not going to Hong Kong just to quit. So I'll take down notes of my mistakes, and I will ask an apology and assure them that give them an assurance actually to prove myself, and I will not do that again and be better next time.
Well, we want our helper to be able to finish 1 to 2 contract at least. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And so positive attitude is very important.
Correct, sir.
Mm. So how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
If I will be given the chance by my employer, will take the chance of working more than 2 years. I
Okay.
will sign the contract.
How many children you can take care?
2 to 3 children soon.
What age group you can manage?
Um, like 6 months old growing up.
Okay. Give a message to your future employer.
To my future employer, I am Lady Diana Domingo. If you will hire me, I can assure you that I will do my best. I don't have an experience outside the country, but locally, it's already proven that I can also do what others can do. And I will do my best and be patient all the time, understand my employer, and just give my best all the time.
Okay. MC1969，我俾個 rating 呢係 A 加嘅。 佢38歲，就大專2年，英文講得好清楚流利，比其他嘅姐姐咧係要講得好，對小朋友學習英文係應該幾有幫助。咁佢有3個細路，咁即係有負擔啦。咁為咗細路，佢出嚟打工啦。咁佢喺國內咧做咗2年，佢喺 Iloilo 嗰度做嘅，因為佢老公搬咗過去嗰度，所以佢喺嗰度做嘢。咁湊個3歲，一個 baby 同埋一個84歲。咁如果以湊 baby 嚟講，或者小朋友咧，佢應該係冇問題嘅，亦都可以教到下啲功課。咁樣貌娟好啦，有笑容，咁應該可以做2-3個合約。咁我俾個 rating 咧係A 加嘅。